Hello everybody. Today I went and picked up this Select 2020 baseball. I've got some retail of this a while back. Picked up 3 blaster boxes and got 2 relic autos, and I really like this product, so I figured I'd give it a shot. This hobby box comes with 2 autograph cards and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. It's not guaranteed, but that's pretty much what you're going to get. 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. So we should get roughly 60 cards, give or take a couple based on what we find as far as a... I don't have my knife with me today, so this is going to be a little rough. There we go. Alright. There you go. Kind of like the stand look here. 12 packs. Alright, that's good. Alright, we got a Vlad Jr. on the back. Got some kind of insert or relic going on here. John Mears. Anthony Rendon, Prism Eduardo Escobar, the trick pack filler. This is kind of interesting. I haven't seen this yet. Oh, is this a superfractor? It is. Wow, look at that. I've never pulled a superfractor before. I think. Hold on. That's fantastic. I turned the light on because I'm realizing I can't see. That didn't help a whole lot. The lighting isn't that great. It is a superfractor Tony Gonzalez Hot Rookies for the Dodgers. Wow, wow. 1 of 1. Well, that is officially my very first superfractor ever. And that is going to get a 1 touch. I don't know who the player is yet. But it says Hot Rookie, so I'm assuming that means he is no longer... Ooh, accidentally got that Vlad in there. He is no longer a prospect, and rather he's going to be playing. Okay. I don't know. It's like the curvature of the card is one to pop up, and I'm worried that that's going to smear against the front of the top loader, or not top loader. The 1 touch, so I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it instead. Alright, so my first ever superfractor. Let's see if we can't see the fraction. Or it's not really, I guess it's not a superfractor because it's prism, but man, it looks just like a superfractor though. It's kind of odd that, you know, they would do their 101 and make it look exactly like what I've seen of the Topps Chrome and finest superfractors. Alright, so I'm going to put this in a top loader because the curvature on it, I don't want it brushing up against that one touch. There we go. Hot Rookie, wow. I have to look this guy up. I'm an Astros fan, so sometimes these Dodgers, unless of course it were Gavin Lux, that would have been awesome if it had been Gavin Lux, but take what I can get. Let's go ahead and look through this pack one more time. I know we had the Vlad, the Rendon, and the silver prism Eduardo Escobar. So I got a silver prism and I wonder what they call that. That's awesome. Alright, that too. So I don't know if I'm going to get better than that, but I still got all my hits coming. Marco Gonzalez. Abraham Toro, there's an Astro. Gleyber Torres, silver prism. AJ LeMahieu Select. And Will Castro for the Tigers. So I wonder if since I got the superfractor, this will be one of the boxes that doesn't get the average other hits. Brian Abreu, Josh Bell, Fernando Tatis, silver prism, and another spacer card. This select card of Will Smith looks a little different than the other selects. I wonder if there's something different about it. Maybe it's just a different, I mean it's 240, so maybe the higher numbers are shorter printed or something. They got a slightly different border. I gotta say that the Panini baseball products, Select and Prism, I think they're way nicer products than Chrome and Finest, personally, and at a better price point. The only thing is the lack of logos, but I'll still buy Chrome and sometimes things like Finest. Baez, San Diego, got a green something in here. Kershaw, Sanchez, Logan Webb, rookie card for the Giants, and Verlander. Oh, that's a green parallel Logan Webb to 99. Let's go ahead and get, where did I put? I know I just had them. Guess in all the excitement, I managed to just put it down for a moment. There's a toss my sleeve somewhere. Oh, here they are. So that's an interesting green color on that prism. I don't know what you'd call that, like a lime green. That's kind of pretty. Number to 99. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I move around a lot. I stay on the road for work, so I'm constantly going to have different backgrounds throughout the year. Here's some kind of Justin Dunn, some kind of relic. This is numbered to 99. Justin Dunn from Seattle, relic auto, numbered to 99. I picked up 2 of these relic autos earlier this year in the blaster boxes, and I really liked them, and that was what really them and that and these base cards. Like, look at this blue Prism Chapman, how pretty that is. I really like it, so I'm gonna, that's why I wanted to open more of it. So at some point, I mean, I've been doing these videos just to kind of like get comfortable, and but at some point I'm probably going to want to start doing things live. Oh, look at that, look at that. There you go. Not because I'm trying to sell anything or trying to get anybody to purchase anything, just because it'd be interesting to have people commenting on what I'm pulling while I'm doing it. Strasburg. I've already got this card. A Bo Bichette rookie, which I got some kind of, like, I don't know if it's a circle prism or some kind of other prism I pulled out of the retail product. And there's another auto and relic, so I don't know if this counts as my 2 autos and relics, but Jonathan Daza of Colorado. And we got, don't know this guy, another guy from LA, Keibert Ruiz, Phenoms. Alright, so I've got my 2 autos. I've got my superfractor. I don't know, before I turn this off, I'm going to figure out whatever that card was, what kind of card was that. I'm sure they don't call it superfractor. Maybe they'll call it super prism. Cole Hamels, Torres. That's a first. I don't know that I've seen any of these. Verlander Select Stars. Haven't seen any of them either. But this is a nice looking card here by Bryce Harper. Go ahead and sleeve that one. Notice the back on that Verlander had the old school, like, 91 or 90 score back. Let's take a better look at this. It's got some prismy sparklies to it, and it's not numbered. Artistic Impressions. Card though. And then the Verlander, I was noticing, had that kind of green, old school score looking back. I'll go ahead and sleeve that one up too. Okay, I'm not liking how this is going. There we go. Alright, then Chris Sale and a filler card. I love these filler cards. I wish, if anybody watches my video, actually watches it, and knows where I can order these thick blank cards without, you know, anything on them, that are cut the size of a baseball card, let me know. I've actually tried making them. I went out and bought a thick, a box cutter capable of cutting thick, and I went and bought them poster boards, and the edges are just really not cool, good looking. So I don't know where to get these blank cards from, but I love them for spacers. Prefer them over the sponges and all that. Chris Bryant. There's something in here. Keston Hiura. I know there's a lot of hype around this guy, but it's a nice looking prism. Trey Turn or something. It's not serial numbered. That's colorful. Lynn. So the other day I pulled a 101, a silver mini from the, what's that product? This is another relic. So I guess the 2 autographs that I got, this is numbered to 49, Juan Gonzalez. That had relics and it didn't count as my relics. That's a pretty relic, look at that. Juan Gonzalez, he was a bit of a favorite of mine growing up. Pretty relic of Juan Gonzalez. I like that. What do they call that? Is it just a relic? No type of subset? It doesn't mention anything on it. Got an Acuna Moonshots here. spent $155, 4 packs on this hobby box. And honestly, I probably could get my money's worth because of the, we're calling it a superfractor, Tony Gosselin colorful prism. I need to figure out what all these prisms are actually called. There's so many of them. Aquino rookie. So I should have one more relic. And there she is. Keiko Judge. Nope, that's not a relic. It's a trick card. This is a prism insert. Oh no, yeah, it is an insert. Is that Phenoms Rafael Devers. So, probably a prism too. Melissa, go to the living room and shut the door, please. The last pack, so I should have a relic in this pack. And that's a thick relic. Ken Giles, Izan Diaz, number to 25, Pete Alonso. That's nice. Ooh, look at that. That's like a cracked prism of some sort. Yeah, I'm thinking I got my money's worth. It looks like I got a red prism of Chris Sale as well. Let's see what that's limited to. $1.99. So I got a numbered to 25 and a numbered to $1.99 in the same pack. I'm going to have to rearrange some of the cards in my top loaders because I think that Alonso's going, or not top loaders, one touches. Because I should have a one touch with that thickness of relic, but it's not got a card equal to that Pete Alonso I just grabbed, number to 25. Let's take a look at it again. That's nice. Kind of looks like those sapphire and those atomic refractors you see in Topps Chrome. And look at that. Is that like a shoelace relic? I guess it is. I've never seen a shoelace relic. Number to 25. A shoelace relic. That is pretty awesome. Alright. Well, before I go, I know they don't give us the odds, but I do believe that they can at least tell me what some of these are called. Maybe it's easier on the box. Let's see. So the 1 of 1 prisms, what do they call that? So I'm guessing that relic is the cracked ice relic. Color numbered to 1, diamond level gold vinyl. Is that the only thing limited to 1? Numbered to 1. You know, I didn't get any die cuts. I remember opening the hobby product, I mean the retail product, and getting the die cuts that I really liked. I guess that those colorful ones might be the zebra tricolors. Hot Rookies gold vinyl. So I guess that's what they're called, gold vinyls, numbered to 1. Hot Rookies gold vinyl. So let's take a look at it one more time. I guess it does have a little bit of a goldish hue to it. Funnels. Definitely one of one. Well, that's it for now. Hit like if you like the video. Let me know if you think I should open a box of something else that's less than $200. I'm probably not spending more than $200 on any boxes, but maybe if it's special. Thanks for watching. Bye.